This is your coding magician. You see these amazing hip-hop dance moves that I created using Scratch? You can do it too! Let's find out how easy it is to make it. Are you ready? Okay, so now go into Scratch and go into Events and take when flag clicked. Now go into Control and take when forever block is taken. Now go into Looks and take Set Costume to. Now go click on the arrow, which you can see there, and select a costume. And if you want to refer, you can go into costumes. Alright, now go into Control and take wait 1 second. Please repeat this process until you have finished using all of your costumes. Until then, while we're waiting, I just want to remind you guys that when you do coding, it is not hard to do coding. Coding is very easy because in my channel, I will explain how you're supposed to code. And coding is actually really easy to learn. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will explain many ways and many different types of codes inside of Scratch, Code.org, and many more websites. Alright, so continuing on with the Scratch, I've taken a few of my costumes already. Alright, and I just want to tell, when you're making the code, just make sure that when you put wait 1 second, you want to change that to 0.3, 0.2, or some lesser numbers than 1 second. Because then it would be too long. Alright. And when you take the sprite, make sure you choose a sprite that has many costumes for it to dance. Because then it won't look like it's dancing. Alright, we're almost finishing. Alright, I just want to remind you that when you're putting the blocks, make sure you take the correct one and set the costumes to the next costumes. Because we don't want the same costume playing again and again, so then it won't look like it's dancing. That's why. Alright. It's quite a long code, but it will look like it's dancing way better. So now you want to go into looks and take again the when yeah. Okay, we're almost finishing. And also, when you're putting the blocks, just make sure you're putting it in the right order, because if it messes up, then the whole dance will go into a wrong move. And also, this process should be repeated until all the costumes have been used. Okay, we're just about to finish. Alright. Let's just put this. Okay. Yep. Okay, now we're done. Alright. Now just select the seconds to 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. It should be 0. Any sort of number you want. For me, I put it from 0.2 going higher. You can also put 1.2 seconds or anything like that. As long as it's shorter than 3 seconds, then it's okay. But you can't put 1 second exactly, or else that'd be too long too. So, like, you have to put any sort of number. It's up to you. You can even put 3 point anything. Alright. Now let's just fix this part here. Okay. So when you're typing the seconds, just make sure you don't put it over 3 seconds, because then it would be too slow and then the whole thing will get messed up. Oh, and also when you're doing the code, just make sure you put the wait block, which is in control. Alright, we're just about to finish. Alright, here we go, the last one. Alright, here we go. We are finished.